In Engineering Base, whether you are working in a project or a library, creating new components can be handled in a variety of ways. For the first example, we will create a new contact by selecting our top-level folder and right-clicking to add a new component. From here, we can select the designation type and complete the necessary information to define the part. Once we are done, the part will be added to the library. In some instances where information is similar to an existing part, it can be easier to copy and paste the reference part and then modify where necessary. Engineering Base will give us a warning where there are duplications. From here, we can change the part number, and it will be added into the library. It is also possible to add parts or make mass edits using the built-in worksheet functionality. For this example, we will open a worksheet with all of our wires and sort for only TXL wire names. Next, we will add a row and designate a new wire in the worksheet. Now that the new wire has been added, we can copy and paste or type in the relevant information or make mass updates by dragging the cell, and for this we will change all wires to be TXL for the wire type. Creating components with structures such as a connector can be done similarly as before, but would require an additional step to add the necessary structure for the pins. To make this simpler, Engineering Base has a built-in assistant to aid in the process. In this example, we are creating a connector with 4 pins. At this step, we can now add necessary information to define the connector and its pins, or it can be edited later. If you have a large number of parts to add or modify in your library, this can be accomplished quickly by importing from an Excel file directly into Engineering Base. To do this, we will open the Import Assistant and select the mapping for our component. In this case, we will use our wire mapping. We can see below a preview of our Excel data and column headings and compare it to the corresponding data fields in Engineering Base and make adjustments if necessary. Once we are satisfied with this mapping, we can proceed to the next step, where Engineering Base will compare the imported data with our existing library and highlight the differences or any new parts that will be added in red. In this case, we are importing 100 wires from Excel, and we can see that there is one new example wire that will be added. For all wires, we have made updates to the wire outside diameter size. We will choose to make all updates and click OK. Once finished, we can now see our newly added wire in the library, and we can be sure that all updates have been made. Thank you for watching. Visit our website at bwswire.com or send us an email to learn more.